Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, October the 4th, 2016. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Google that kind of said today that they are not going to build self-driving cars. Now, we've seen the Google self-driving cars, but what they actually want to do is more of the software and part of the hardware that will make um, cars basically drive themselves. They aren't looking into making a car itself. So what they would do is partner with car makers. For a long time, a lot of people are saying, well, they're going to make a car, they're going to make a car. And, well, they're saying, no, 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 we don't want to compete with, any car makers. What we want to do is help car makers have all the software and hardware required for cars to drive themselves. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy S7, well, it seems that Android Nougat version 7 might maybe come sooner than expected. More and more little tests are being done, and we've even seen a few Galaxy S7 running Nougat. And usually that means that it's pretty close to being released. So let's cross our fingers, and maybe we'll have it in the next few weeks. Well, Google today had a event, and it ended only about 2 minutes ago. So basically, what is the event today? It showed new Pixel phone. This Pixel phone, which promises to be one of the best out there with the camera and everything. One of the fastest also. And also they made demonstration of the new Google Assistant. Then they also showed the Daydream VR, which will be released, and also a kind of a router slash hub, a little bit like the Amazon Echo, basically, that they will be releasing to the public. So a few little items, nothing extraordinary, but a nice clean demonstration, and it's going to be fun to see. What's mostly the new thing here is the fact that the new Pixel phone is the first phone entirely made by Google, and not basically made by another company for Google. Well, if you're on Windows 10 and you're still going a little crazy on that update that was released last week, Microsoft once again today said they are very close to releasing a fix. So be patient. If your update just goes through and then reverts back to the previous version, don't worry. Just check it out. You should have an update probably. Well, I would guess before the end of the week that will eventually make everything go through. Well, rumors of Disney buying Netflix. Yep, and they are pretty good rumors too. Apparently, Disney is in talks with Netflix to buy the company, which is a very popular streaming company. And a lot of analysts say, well, that would probably make Netflix a premium place for Disney content. So it's going to be interesting to see and see also how much they will pay for Netflix. But Disney being such a important movie and entertainment company, I think that kind of looks like a good idea. And of course, that will also mean that we'll have probably a lot more Disney movies on Netflix. Well, Facebook has announced yesterday that they are going to introduce the Facebook Marketplace. And basically, what they want to compete with is, well, Craigslist and eBay. And instead of going to other websites, you'll now be able to sell or buy stuff within the Facebook Marketplace. So this is an interesting idea, and this could be a serious competition because everybody's on Facebook. So it's kind of easier to just say, well, I'm going to sell or buy something through the marketplace from Facebook. So it's going to be interesting to see when it rolls out, what it looks like and how it works. But that's, I think, going to add some serious competition. And finally, a test of Canadian internet service providers seems to reveal that Canadians get even faster internet most of the time than what is advertised. A few years ago, there was a kind of a lot of complaints. People saying, well, we're paying for such internet and we don't have the speed that they're telling us. Well, the Canadian government looked over this and was wondering if that's true. And then the latest test that they've done in the past few months apparently is the other way around. Most Canadians have higher speed internet than is advertised. And you know what? I tested mine a few times, and I can say that I'm a few megabits per second faster than what is actually what I should have. So it seems to be the case. So that's interesting. Hopefully, where you are, that is the case, or that should be the case. Unfortunately, a lot of people are not having the speeds that they should. So this was the tech news for Tuesday, October 4th, 2016. Remember today's live show day, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, 1900 UTC. We answer your questions. 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 2200 hours UTC. We have Learn the Tech. Hope that you enjoyed today's show, and thank you for watching.